Hey man, it's me, Kevin Smith. Welcome to the GrowTent, everybody. You have found the best cannabis growing channel on YouTube, man. The place where we simplify the approach for you so everyone can learn how to grow. We make it so simple, even I can understand. So I'm going to listen and learn right now.
Woo! Welcome back to the GrowTent, everybody. Just a quick introduction video for this one. This is our unboxing video. We got a ton of stuff in from sponsors. We're peeking in at the White Widow tent. We're doing everybody always wants to talk about the 48 hours of darkness. We're going to see if it makes any bit of difference as far as taste and everything else with the buds. You can see them. They are ready to be chopped down. They are completely out of water. So you see them all. The leaves are hanging down in there. Anyway, they got another day of darkness. Then we're going to be chopping those down. So look for that video this weekend. Also, tonight, come hang out with me on Twitch. Anytime we are over 100 people viewing the stream, I give out a 5-pack, that's $90 worth, a 5-pack of GPM, Giant Purple Monster, our own strain that makes over 2-foot tall colas. I give out a 5-pack every 20 minutes as long as we're over 100 streamers. And usually as long as we stay over like 75 or 80, I'd still do it anyway. Alright guys, so make sure you come hang out with me on Twitch at GrowTent Gaming, all one word. Tonight, starts at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central, and 7 p.m. Pacific. Also, guys, if you'd like, remember to join our Patreon. If you have any pictures or questions about your plant, you can always email me at thegrowtent@gmail.com. And also remember to check out and make sure you find the secret numbers in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to have secret numbers in it. Make sure you check that out. Let's get this going, GrowTent. Focus. Calm down. Let's go. Woo! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the GrowTent. Today we've got an unboxing video, a big unboxing video, I guess you could say. We've got a bunch of stuff in from sponsors. We're just going to unbox it. We're going to go over it. We're going to see what they sent. I actually have no idea what's in these boxes, so your guess is as good as mine. The first one here is from Vivosun. So thank you, Vivosun, for whatever you sent us. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. And inside we have, oh, it's gonna be close, another box. Oh, let's see what else we got in here. All right, we're through it. And inside, we have another box. 3 boxes. Alright. Looks like we got an exhaust fan from Vivosun. Thank you, Vivosun. They sent us an exhaust fan with a speed controller on it. So let's get rid of this big box. Smaller box. They sent us some tubing for the van. And then I would only imagine that this is a big carbon filter. It doesn't say what this is, but if I was going to guess, I would guess a carbon filter. So let's see what we got here. Next box. Oh, we got a fan. Where'd my knife go? Damn it, GrowTent. Pay attention. Focus. Relax. I need a new blade. This blade's about had it. Alright. That's open. Let's pull this bad dog out and see what we got here. That's off. Oh, it looks pretty cool. It's all black. It's super lightweight. Check it out. Looks very racy with the black and red. I do like how light it is. It's got the speed controller built right onto the fan. It goes from low, medium, and high. So you got, but it's not 3 set click positions. You can actually spin it up incremental from low to high. So it's not like you only got three settings. You can spin it up as high or as low as you want. So this is a 4-inch inline fan. Be perfect for a 3x3, 2x2, 2x4, any of those kind of tents. You probably even get away with it in a 4x4 without a problem. Has an additional bracket on here for mounting. Let's open up the next box. Alright. Next box. Oh, this is the ducting they sent us. Always appreciate free ducting. Because ducting, I don't know if you guys know it or not, is actually decently expensive. Ducting is not cheap. So I'm going to imagine this is a carbon filter. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. Nice big old carbon filter from Vivosun. Boxes everywhere. Let's get this bad dog opened up here. Oh man, look at that. Even comes with a pre-filter already on it. It's got these really nice ends on it. We've got Vivosun stamped on it. Comes with the bands for hanging it up, supporting the filter. But you can pull this pre-filter off and see the kind of construction. It's all solidly built. Works really well. We actually have a Vivosun filter in my smaller tent that I have the original AC Infinity fan hooked up to. That one has a Vivosun filter. They work really well. There's zero smell that escapes those tents when the doors are shut. And whenever I open the doors up, I just turn the fan speed up and it works just fine. Let's plug this fan in real quick and we're going to see how loud and quiet it is. So we're going to check that out next. So hold on a second, let me get set up. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're plugged in. As you can see, the fan blade in there is spinning and you can't, sucking my hand right to it, you cannot hear it at all. This is all the way turned down, so we're going to turn it up. We're at like 33% power here. Still can't hear the fan. It's not vibrating, no shaking, no nothing of the sort. Let's turn it up a little bit more. We're at 50% power, Captain. I don't know if she can hold out, Captain. Alright, well, we're going to give her more, Scotty. I need more power. We're going to turn it up to 100% here. There you go. Now you guys can actually hear it. It's still not loud. This is we're actually like 20% past full power. Thanks, Scotty. We got all the power we need. Giving her all she's got, Captain. Okay, so on this dial, what shows is 100% power. You can't hear this thing barely at all. No vibration. It's made really well. Okay, we're back. I know you're saying, GrowTent, what the hell just happened? Well, old GrowTent let his phone battery go boop all the way down and die right in the middle of recording about this Vivosun T4 light. We got a 4-inch inline fan, cool race red interior, got the race red guts in it. But anyway, super quiet fan, guys. And they're not on the expensive side, they're on the cheaper side. So usually with a cheaper fan, you get a louder fan. Well, that is not the case with this one. This one is super quiet and it moves a bunch. Let's see, turn it up here. We're gonna go all the way up and it moves, I mean, a bunch. Here, let's blow some of this stuff around on old GrowTent's floor. There we go. There we go. You can see it moving around. Let's see if we can get something. Mainly hitting the bucket here. There we go. Works really, really well. It'll do great in your tent. And it's not going to be too heavy to where it's going to be pulling down. You got enough heavy stuff hanging on the top of your tent. Get something light to put up there. Works great. Check out Vivosun. I'm going to put... YouTube's been giving strikes out, so I can't really put a link in there right now. Let me see if I can do something about it. watch the video description. There might not be a link in the video description. Also, remember to check out our video tomorrow because it's going to have secret numbers in it, and you're going to want those. This is going to be our 3rd secret number out of 10 for our secret contest with the gigantic cash prize. So make sure you're checking out the video tomorrow on Saturday. Those will always drop on Saturday. And if you're looking for a carbon filter or a exhaust fan or a carbon filter, make sure you give Vivosun, make sure you check them out. I've been running one of the Vivosun's carbon filters forever. They work really well, captures all the smell. Make sure you check them out, guys. Let's go unbox some more stuff. I'll see you in a little bit. Woo! Here we go. All right, everybody, we are back. We got another box here. Now, I have already cut it open because I did cut it open the day I took delivery of it because this is a pretty expensive item. And they actually just left it on my freaking front porch. So I actually cut it open just to make sure everything was okay. For an expensive item, this comes from actually our Twitch group. The Twitch group said, GrowTent, we are sick and tired of you filming with your damn phone. So the Twitch group that watches me play actually came together, and you know, they donated a bunch of money to the stream. And as you guys know, anything that gets donated to us, we either spend it on equipment or put it back into our giveaways for our channel. So I don't use any of the money for anything else except the channel or putting right back into the giveaways. So what did we get here? We have a Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. This is from the Twitch stream, guys, from the awesome people that like to watch me play video games and I do lots of giveaways on Twitch on Fridays and Sunday nights also. So make sure you check that out. But look what they got me, guys. Look at all the stuff in this box. I got a Canon M50. That's freaking fantastic. And then check out the mic that sits on top of it. So we're gonna be able to, you guys will be able to hear all my fans way better. But no, if we ever move to more of a vlog style of shooting, we have this camera and mic now, and it's got a bunch of other stuff in here. It's got 32 gigabyte disc. There's a 16, a little backup, a little portable USB. Now I'm going to be honest, I know nothing about cameras, so it's a pretty big learning curve for me to learn it. We've got a lens filter kit here. Looks like a case for the lens filters, I'm guessing. And we already do have Adobe Premiere Pro. Oh, we got a case for keeping the camera in. That's awesome. And this camera already does have a lens with it, so that is also awesome. But guys, to my Twitch streamer or to my Twitch channel people, thank you so much. This really does mean the world to me. I want to thank everybody so much. So look for some awesome new close-ups of the buds in the near future. I know there's going to be a pretty big learning curve because, as y'all know, I shoot all my videos with my phone. So it's going to be a pretty big learning curve for me learning this whole new system. But like everything, I'll get it eventually, and you guys will start seeing this incorporated into the future videos. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Thanks everybody that hangs out with me on Twitch on Friday and Sunday nights. Remember, it starts at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Pacific. We like to hang out, play video games, and I do a ton of giveaways on Friday and Sunday nights. So make sure you come hang out with me. I think that's going to do it for today's episode. I actually do have more boxes to undo, but for an unboxing video, I don't really want to stretch these things out to 20 minutes freaking long. So thanks for everybody hanging out with me. I love each and every one of you. GrowTent out.